Hi, I'm Link and welcome to Link Life Money. We're here for the Telus Spark Tour. A toilet? Take a sip. Oh my goodness. It's actually a water fountain. I still don't think I would try that. This is pretty cool. It's the bed full of nails. So you hold this button. And then you can see them raise up. And lower. And there's supposed to be so many of them that they're not supposed to hurt your back when they raise up. Still, I can't verify it because I've never tried it, but I've seen people use that one before. Oh, here's the outdoor playground. We'll get a chance to go and see that. But there's lots of different types of experiment things to try and to engage with. In this area there's lots of different tubes and there's pressured air so that you can construct and build different plans and watch a ball or something go through there. This one's pretty neat too. It's on 4 different type wires. And it moves around. It's programmed so that it can move around and make different designs in the sand. Yeah, that's really cool. It's an older TV, different electronics. I know that lots of different types of electronics get donated here, and then people can take them apart and kind of see what goes into them, how they're made. Down here, it looks like they're working on a new virtual reality type ride, which looks pretty darn cool. Over on this side, there's the inspiration stage, which is a theater type area. This is an amazing ice cream place, and they have very cool balloons and a very comfortable place to sit. Ice cream. And then we'll go back down over this way. We'll head down stairs to see the other 2 galleries. Hopefully we don't get a copyright strike for the music in the background. This is the digital immersion gallery. Oh, that says, sorry, exit only. Enter here. Okay.
Sacred defenders, you have reconnected with the gifts of the sacred elements. Let the spirit of water, fire, earth, and wind guide you and protect you on your mission to keep the balance of nature.
Yeah, that's very neat. You get immersed within the story. I'll definitely take time to go back there and experience that. That looked really, really neat. And then over here was the Barbie exhibit, but it's no longer there and it looks shut down. So the other place that we have left to see is the Wonder Spaces, and we'll also go outside and take a tour of the really neat playground. This is called Wonder Spaces. Thursday, September 14th at 3:30. It's definitely not busy at all. Wow. Whoa. Very cool. Wow. My name's Link and welcome to Link Life Money. If you could please subscribe to my channel, I would truly appreciate it. I have 192 videos. I've spent over 1,300 hours filming and editing the videos. I have 451 subscribers and I need 1,000 subscribers. Whoa, very cool. 1,000 subscribers. I need 1,000 subscribers in order to, this would be a really cool thumbnail. Put the camera there. There you go. That would be a really cool thumbnail. My silhouette. I'll have to see if I can make a thumbnail like this. Gotta get the top of my head too there. Nice. I need 1,000 subscribers in order to be monetized by YouTube. This one's called Sweeper's Clock. They're sweeping the debris around in sync with the time. This is a place where you can write messages. This is called On a Human Scale. Please be gentle, it says for the piano. I wonder what happens if you play one of the keys. Let's see. Oh, wow. The person says the note. Oh, that's really cool. That's super cool. Oh, I like that. That was a really neat idea. Really cool. Wow. And then there's different flashing ones in here. They're kind of hard to see. There's also an epilepsy warning. But in person, if you're able to see the art exhibit, it's neat to see. It's a beautiful day, September 14th. I think it's about 20 degrees outside in Calgary. I would imagine that probably a lot of people are maybe at the Calgary Zoo, just because Calgary Zoo has so many things outdoors that people probably want to experience while the weather is still warm. So this is cool. You can climb up there, and there's a big slide. I've actually gone up and down that slide quite a few times, and yeah, the older I get, the harder it becomes. It's definitely quite the climb to get up there, but it is a lot of fun. It's pretty cool. Then there's different types of playground things to do. It's really, really, really well designed. Kind of like a rope balancing course. You can see way in the distance across from us is the Calgary Herald paper office. And this area I've never seen before. This is pretty new. So there's an outdoor space. A dinosaur. It's the gathering circle is what the outdoor space is called. And this looks like it's closed. It says closed, but yeah, I wonder if we can get a little bit closer just to see. So at junkyard playgrounds, kids can test the limits of their bodies and imaginations. Kids are free to build stuff, take stuff apart, and use real tools. Wow. Wow. Yeah, I haven't seen that before. Yeah, this is the gathering circle. That's really, really neat. We got more playground area. More of the junkyard goes back a long ways back there. You can also see behind, I think we can probably go a little bit closer on the other side. There's huge solar panels. Yeah, there's huge solar panels. I'm guessing those are still a part of Telus Spark and are able to generate electricity. But yeah, that's pretty darn cool. So that's the tour of Telus Spark. I know that I went pretty quickly. There's one kids play area that is in the building as well that we didn't get to see, as well as there are other kind of traveling exhibits that are there quite often. So it's definitely worth it to come and check this place out if you have time. My name's Link and welcome to Link Life Money. If you could please subscribe to my channel, I would truly appreciate it. Save money, make good choices, and please be kind.